Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Xbox Game Bar Capture grayed out in Windows 11. So very simple and easy way. Click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Gaming. Now here click on Captures. Now turn on these three options. Record what happened. Maximum recording length you can change. Now turn on Capture audio when recording a game, and also capture mouse cursor when recording a game. So all options. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on Start, search here REGEDIT. Open the registry editor, and guys, before you do anything, export your registry editor, give it a name and save it. So once you need, you can import your registry editor. Now here expand HKeyCurrent user. Now here expand software, then expand Microsoft. Now here expand Windows. Now current version. Now double click on Game DVR. So here guys, you will see the option Game Capture enabled. If you not see here, so right click New and click on dword32 and type similar this app capture enabled. So you need to type similar A capital, C capital and E capital. Now just one thing you have to do once you created this one, app capture enabled, right click on it, modify, make value data as 1. If you see any another number, so remove that and make it 1, then click on OK. Now close and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve Xbox Game Bar Capture grayed out in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.